coming with a new session, and you were watching my channel Technopedia Live, the way of learning. So please watch the full video regarding this informational topic. So my today's topics is about a notification which is released by the West Bengal State Council of Technical and Vocational Education and Skill Development. So this news is actually for the diploma engineering students in West Bengal. So those who yet not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all update regarding the informational and the tutorials of video about the engineers. So this notification, you clearly see that the notification is released by the WBSCT in dated 20th April, where they actually informed us that this is information of all concerned that after careful consideration of the present situation weighing the ongoing corona crisis in the state, the WBSCT and VE and SD has decided to postpone all examinations which were scheduled to be held during May 2020 as per the academic calendar of the Council for the season 2019-20. Further information related to the said examination will be notified on this website in due course of time. All concerned are requested to keep in touch with the notification to be given time to time on this website. So this is a information to all of you guys, the diploma engineers and students in West Bengal, that your ongoing examinations, your upcoming even semester examination, that means the second, fourth and sixth semester examination which is scheduled in May 2020 is postponed, has been postponed. These upcoming semester examinations has been postponed, and the when these examinations will actually held, so regarding this, no information is provided in these notifications. Actually, the council cannot decide that when will be the suitable time to arrange these kinds of examination, these semester examinations. And one more thing, that there will no declaration about the promotion to the student from the next semester. They just clearly mentioned that the examination has been postponed due to the corona crisis. So you guys can just relax for some time, so but you have to prepare for the examination for the upcoming semester, because the date will be informed to you later. And when the date will be informed, so by the council, so I will inform you. So stay tuned with my channel and please subscribe. Once again I say to you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the all update regarding these semester examinations. And you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any query regarding these notifications, so please mention it in the comment section. So that's all for today's session. I think that the clear concept to you, all of you are clear this idea about the upcoming semester. So stay tuned with my channel, and those who not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, and those who already subscribed, so once again thank you to all of you guys.